Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to unlock the Dark Matter camo on bo6, which is Black Ops 6. To unlock the Dark Matter, firstly you gotta unlock the Dark Spine camo. To start, unlock the Tier 3 Dark Spine camo by getting 5 kills without dying 3 times with your chosen weapon. Once Dark Spine camo is unlocked for all 33 weapons, you gain access to Dark Matter animated camo as a mastery reward, which means you need to unlock the Dark Spine camo on all the weapons, including the melee, launch-ins, and snipers, and SMGs, etc. To equip the Dark Matter camo after unlocking it, open Black Ops 6 and go to Multiplayer menu. In the weapon section, select weapon customization for the specific weapon you want, and scroll through the available camos, find the Dark Matter animated mastery camo, and equip it. And that's it. Enjoy the animated glossy purple look on your weapon in-game. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.